Thanks for being in my channel once again. Or welcome for the first time you've never been. But if you've never seen the first video, this is the second. You must see the first one that is called the Soul King Mayan calendar. As explained on my channel. In the past one. The first one. Go to the first, then come to this one that is called Sernas Hologram, based on heads as seen on 6 Soul Kings. 6 Soul Kings make a Sernas Hologram. This is a Soul King, and 6 are able to connect through this center and make a cylinder, kind of in a 12 dimensions, but it's not 12 actually, it goes to 3 to 6. Then are the 6 colors. It's red, orange, yellow, white, blue, violet, and then on the 7th place it's white. And it goes making a pyramid to the counter here on the same colors. 6 are positive, 6 are negatives on one side, on left side, on right side. These are the positives, these are the negatives. Same as kind of electrons, neutrons and protons. Seen kind of that way, and they belong cross-section of being seen before. In hologram, a Sernas hologram, it does too. But 6 of these together or united by the neutral and center right here, 1. All the matter is directed to a center, and all the light is directed to a center. Center is white. White will be heavier always than violet and blue. That Einstein says. Einstein says that blue and violet are heavier than white. Not to me. To me, white is the center, is the light, is the heaviest. Heavier than violet, blue, green, yellow, orange or red. For sure the center is, in this case, belongs to Mercury. Mercury is white, is the center, made of all. 6 made of all. 6 make white. The 7-1. 8 are the planets, are the matter and the geishas. 8 of them. And the white is the light. White is pair of black and black is pair of white. And both of them cross the center as neutrals. On top of them, neutrals are the positive and the negative. The system is divided. It looks in here in a Soul King like a line, but in Sernas Hologram you can imagine a disc around it, and the inside is half of the outside. So now we got Sernas Hologram, the 6 in colors. The colors are seen in heads. Heads of red, it's 2,520 hertz. Orange is 2,184. Yellow is 1,848. Green is 1,512. Blue is 1,176. Violet is 840. White is 336. Black is 504. Sometimes black is not counted as on this case, but it still is part of the system. It's the one that gets the energy. It does exist, but in this case, it's not taken. It's like sometimes the middle center one, this one is not taken, as we'll see, or taken in count, as we'll see later. When we see the difference, if we add all the 8, we get all added 10,920 hertz. It's one hologram. 10,920 is a common denominator or a denominator of microwave wavelength. It begins in one number and ends up in another number. The difference between where it ends and where it begins and where it ends, you get 10,920 hertz. One hologram, one Sernas hologram, based on hertz, colors. Now, when you see the difference between the upper one and the next one, 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 you always get till here, to the blue, 336. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the outside matter. Those are the outsiders, the exterior nucleus, I call it. The other ones, violet, it's 504, and white is 336. The only that does not get the same number, 336 in all, is violet. Violet gets 504, a little higher, 168 hertz than the others. 168 hertz is a number seen on a Sernas Hologram that we will see in a second. Now, we got the exterior nucleus, 5 up, that is red, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the blue, is the outside. The inside is violet and white. In this case, we're not going to take on black, nature, planets, the head of the disk, to make it work in this case. Now, these are the exterior nucleus and these are the exterior nucleus. When we add these two in one and we add the other two on the other and see the difference, it is a it is that the interior nucleus is half of the exterior, and it applies in gravity and space. So it's in space, it is on time. So now we see that black 504 divided by or 6.72 E divided 6.872 divided by or in divided into black equals 76.87 3918. 504 divided by 6.472 give us 77.87 3918. That is so close to 77.86. These are meters by seconds. And gravity, all the eight of the systems add to 77.86 on NASA's. This is a little difference, little bit. 87, 86 points, decimals, points is close centesimals, 7 centesimals. Is nothing. It's 87 centesimals is decimals. 7 centesimals is close. Is practically is the one. When we add all of the gravities of each color, in this case all the colors, including black, we get 1600. Excuse me, 87.2262. These are meters by second square. And if you take out 1680, a very common number that we'll see later, it is practically 7.2261 minus 7.23 wavelength, metric one, is real close to 1 centesimal. It is close. The universe works in 3 phases. I didn't write a variety here. These are high, middle, and under or down. High is the total of Sernas Hologram in hertz, which is 10,920 hertz. Middle one, that is without black, it's 10,416 hertz. And for last, bottom one, that is without black and white, and the system without black and white, or the center, or the middle one, we get 10,080 hertz. That actually are the minutes of a day or a week, not sure on that, but it's related to time and actually something with pictures on cells or computers, stuff like that, that take pictures or yeah, it's related on that. The bottom one, if you are the 3, that is high, middle, and down one, you get 31,416. If we try to divide 3.1416 the pi, this inside 31,406 equals 10,000 times. This is Sernas Hologram as how it works. Later we'll see some numbers on the next video. For now, this is all the info. Hope you'll get it soon. And would like to hear about it if you're interested on a universe made of 6 colors, actually 12, because 6 are positive and 6 are negative, and all of them are made by 3. 3 are the stuff in all the universe. It is upper and down. In between upper and down must be a center, and the center is as a column seen black and white, but is seen in all cases on the sun. Hydrogen, lithium, and and Helios, the 3 of them make the sun. So red, green and blue can make all of the wonder of colors, diverses in the universe, all with 3, body, soul, and mind. Is that you? The Father, the Spirit, and the Son are the 3 states. Where these 3 states are form a 4th one. The deeper dimension is made by the upper dimensions and so forth. It always be half in some cases, the inside than the outside. Half of the outside. The inside is half of the inside. And that's for certain in gravity and space. And if we're talking light in the space, we're talking time on the space. And makes wonderful numbers. If you want to follow the next 3rd one that will come next, I'll be delightful. Thank you.